In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the gallery cover in Notion. This quick and easy guide is designed to help you personalize your workspace and make it more visually appealing. Perhaps you've been using Notion for a while now and you're looking to add a bit of flair to your galleries. Or maybe you're just beginning your journey with Notion and you're eager to learn how to make the most of its customizable features. Regardless of your starting point, this guide will provide you with the simple steps you need to update your gallery covers, adding that personal touch to your pages. First, let's start by heading over to your Notion homepage. This is where all of your main navigation happens and the place from where you can easily access all your pages and databases. Ensure that you're logged into your account and are in the workspace where you want to change the cover. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to navigate to the specific page where your gallery is located. You can do this by scrolling through your sidebar, or if you're like me and have countless pages, typing in the search bar might be a quicker option. Click on the page title to open it up. Now that you've got the page open, we're going to zero in on the section where the current gallery cover is displayed. Directly above your gallery, you'll see the cover. Hover over it, and you'll notice an option appear that says Change Cover. Go ahead and click on that. This leads you to a gallery of cover options. Notion provides you with the default choices to get you started. You can also find the option to upload your image if you've got something specific in mind. In the options provided, you can browse through Notion's broad array of pre-made covers. These span multiple styles and themes, so take your time exploring until you find one that speaks to you. Your choice of cover can communicate the tone or theme of your project or database, and with so many available, there's no shortage of inspiration. After you select the cover that you like, click on it, and voila, your cover is now updated. Changing the cover is a simple way to refresh the look of your page. A fresh cover here and there can make your Notion experience even more enjoyable. Not only do these covers add individuality, but they can also serve as visual cues, making it easier to navigate through your different pages. And there you have it. You've learned how to enhance your Notion pages by changing the gallery cover. Whether you're using Notion for work, study, or personal projects, customizing your gallery covers is a great way to reflect your personal style and keep your workspace looking polished and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.